Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable Android Auto on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the Settings app on your smartphone. Now just scroll down and tap on Connected Devices. From here, just scroll down and tap on Android Auto. Now just tap on Connect a Vehicle. Now from here, there are two options to connect your smartphone with your vehicle. You can either connect your smartphone wirelessly or you can connect your smartphone with a cable. Let's check the wireless option first. Now just tap on connect using wireless Android Auto. Now from here, just press the button on the steering wheel of your car to connect your phone with your car. Now if your car does not have this button on its steering wheel, just tap on Connect using Bluetooth. Now, if your car supports wireless Android Auto, just tap on Pair a Vehicle. Now, once you do that, it will start scanning, and if it detects the name of your car, it will show it right here. Now, once it detects the name of your car, just tap on the name of your car to connect your car with your smartphone. Now, if your smartphone does not support wireless Android Auto, just go back. Now just connect your phone with the charging cable and connect the other end of the charging cable to your car to connect your phone to your car. And this is how you can enable Android Auto on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.